Starfleet Scuba is Panama's most reputable scuba diving operator and is the first PADI Gold Palm 5-star instructor development center in the country, ensuring that the education and service you receive are consistently provided to the highest possible standards. Starfleet Scuba is located on Isla Colón, Bocas del Toro, the hidden jewel of the Caribbean. The Academy offers a complete range of PADI programs, from tri-dives and the initial open water course right through to Dive Master. The protected waters of Bocas del Toro are ideal for training at every level all year round, and our academy attracts students from all over the world. All instructions are available in English and Spanish. Our activities available include scooter rental and a variety of massage treatments by our qualified therapists with Swedish massage, deep tissue massage, musculoskeletal therapy, hot stone treatment, cleansing food treatment, facial treatment, body polishes, waxing, eyelash tinting and microderm abrasion. Email us or simply complete an inquiry form for more information on how we can help you to make the most of your visit to Panama.